Harvey Weinstein appearing in court Wednesday, the first time since his 2020 rape conviction was overturned by the New York Court of Appeals last week. The disgraced movie mogul, who has been serving a 23-year prison sentence since the landmark Me Too trial, appeared frail and entered the courtroom in a wheelchair, while one of his accusers, Jessica Mann, sat just a few feet away, as well as Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg. Judge Curtis Farber said during the hearing that they would move forward with a retrial for Weinstein, telling the court that it would likely take place after Labor Day. Following the hearing, Weinstein's attorney, Arthur Adelia, spoke outside of the courthouse.
We're very confident that if it goes to trial, the only words we'll hear at the end of the trial are not guilty.
Every witness who the prosecution believes is integral to this case, including the alleged victims, will have to retestify, and that will likely bring up all of the trauma and the emotions again.
As for what happens now, Weinstein will be transferred to Bellevue Hospital, where he underwent a series of tests over the weekend. His spokesperson telling NBC News that Weinstein's health has taken a turn during his time in prison.
He has blood pressure issues. He has diabetes issues which are not managed properly. He has eyesight problems. He has tooth problems. He has back problems. Now he has a hard time on a walker, so he's in the wheelchair most of the time.
Last week, New York's Court of Appeals stated its reason to overturn Weinstein's conviction in a 4-3 decision came down to improper rulings during his trial, and that women who were not part of the case should never have been allowed to testify.
Prosecution will only retry this case if they have total confidence in the evidence at their disposal. The fact that they introduced this risky evidence the first time around shows that they don't necessarily have a lot of other evidence at their disposal. So I am doubtful this case will actually make it to a retrial.
New York isn't Weinstein's only legal troubles. He also faces a 16-year prison sentence in California after he was convicted of rape and sexual assault in a separate trial in 2022. His team is currently appealing.
Tom, Harvey Weinstein is now going to be going to Bellevue Hospital here in New York City, where he's going to undergo further testing. Like I said, he was there over the weekend. He has a lot of health issues. Then he's going to go to Rikers when a doctor releases him, and he will stay at Rikers until this retrial begins sometime after Labor Day. No official trial date has yet been set, but there is a discovery hearing that has been set for the end of May. Tom?
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.